बैठी है, आगे देखो नहीं डरोगे, पूछो।
See, you don't get the opportunity of meeting a Saint Marian, ex-Saint Marian every day.
You can ask me anything.
Ask anything that you want.
Anything which is wild and anything which is out of syllabus. We will not talk in syllabus communication. We will talk out of syllabus. And anyone is free to ask. Please, बाद में बच्चों को तंग मत करना यार अमरदीप, ये पूछ क्यों लिया?
If anybody wants to ask, you are free to ask.
That is the best. That is best you can do. Any questions? कोई books पढ़ते हो? You must read autobiographies. You must read autobiographies. You are blessed, and because Amazon now delivers couriers in Kasauli. I came to know recently. So Amazon सारे courier deliver करता है. So you guys should read autobiographies, because autobiographies of great people will inspire you. You will come to know Mahatma Gandhi's parents were much more poorer than our parents. You will come to know the people who have struggled and still make it big. So you will start thinking that these people were also in the same boat in which we were. When these people can become Prime Minister, Narendra Modi comes from a very average family. शायद हमारी फैमिली में ज्यादा पैसे होंगे, नरेंद्र मोदी की फैमिली में कम पैसे थे, बट आज भी वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है. तो सब कुछ पॉसिबल है. तो अगर आप इन बड़े लोगों की ऑटोबायोग्राफीज पढ़ोगे तो यू विल एक्चुअली डू वेल इन लाइफ. सो माय सजेशन टू यूज, रीड, खेलो, पढ़ो, उछलो, कूदो, लेकिन ग्रेट लोगों की बायोग्राफीज पढ़ो. सिट विद योर टीचर्स. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव यू सिट विद योर टीचर्स एंड आस्क देम that, ma'am, how was your journey of life? Are you happy with your life? Is there any those three things which you want to change in your life? Was there any three things which you failed and you thought, oh, I have failed, now I want to be successful? How did you do that? Talk all these. ये biology, English, mathematics ये तो चलते रहेगा बेटा. इसके सिवा भी जिंदगी है. वो चीजें पूछनी इंपॉर्टेंट है. You should ask Amardeep sir how it feels when his school loses the match, and how he gets back to the same team, and then the same team wins the next match. It is very important. These are the questions you should be asking your teachers, because your teacher. So एक बहुत अच्छी बात है. No, all the students cannot become a teacher, right? All the students cannot become a teacher, but the teacher was always a student. सही है ना? आज सारी टीचर्स पीछे बैठी हैं. ये सब यहाँ पे थी ना कभी किसी स्कूल में, तो तुम में से सारे टीचर्स नहीं बनेंगे, लेकिन जितनी टीचर्स हैं वो सब एक दिन स्टूडेंट्स. तो उन्होंने वो सारी गलतियां करी होंगी जो हम करते हैं. उन्होंने भी नॉटीनेस करी होगी और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने भी सीखा होगा. तो यू हैव टू सिट विद योर टीचर्स. यू हैव टू ब्लॉक टाइम. मैम, आई वांट टू सिट विद यू फॉर 10 minutes. आई वांट टू आस्क यू हाउ हैव यू रीच्ड हियर, व्हाट आर द सैक्रिफाइसेस यू हैव मेड टू रीच हियर. These are very important things, children, which you should ask your teachers. You should ask your seniors. Every time you will not win. Every time you will not lose either. So, these are the questions. So ask me if you have anything in your mind. खूब सारी गेम्स खेलो. इंडोर गेम्स की जगह आउटडोर खेलो. हमारे टाइम में पिट्ठू खेलते थे. अब तो पता नहीं, मुझे बच्चों को पता भी होता है पिट्ठू क्या होता है.
Some of them may be knowing.
लड़कियां स्टेपू खेलती थी. मैं भी खेलता था लड़कियों के साथ. इस बहाने लड़कियों के साथ मिल जाता था खेलना. तो मुझे लगता था इस बहाने लड़कियों के साथ खेलना मिल जाएगा. तो मेरे को वो कभी आया तो नहीं खेलना, क्योंकि मैं सीखने के लिए खेला ही नहीं कभी. व्हाट्सएप नहीं था ना बच्चों, समझो. व्हाट्सएप होता तो हम टाइम पर बात करते पिट्ठू में.
Everybody knows me, but when Amit was sharing some of his moments from school, I too remembered I was not a brilliant student. Even my son is sitting there, so he may be thinking what sir is saying here. But I really want to thank St. Mary's today. As you have been sitting here, I was not a brilliant student, so I know I was not having choices where to go, what to do, what not. No more knowledge was there. What stream should I choose? Where should I go? Nothing was that way, because my parents were not that educated that they could have guided me. You take this or that. But St. Mary's education gave me one thing: that believe in yourself. Thank you, Amit. Today you realized me what school life has given me. And I really want what he said: be yourself. Don't try to copy anybody. keep your aim with yourself and move according to it. Maybe I did not get a chance because I was not so brilliant. My thinking was not that way, but Amit really did it for St. Mary's. He's a Marian. That is why I proudly say I am also a Marian. I hope whenever I go to your classes, merely I have a games period with you, and +1 and 2 I have physical education as well. The present class who is sitting in +2 did not get a chance to attend any class last year of physical education, but most of the students are. Whenever I have been to the class, I usually talk about how you have to be, what is discipline, because that has been given to me by St. Mary's. And he introduced a name in between, Sir Michael. And he is also an idol to me, as he said. Because when we are not good in studies, you can actually accept that we are good in sports. So somewhere we were there that we were good enough, that we were in the team, as he told whenever we used to lose. And he many times specified in between, when you lose and when you win, you enjoy it. It is not only the game, it is your own aim, what you are thinking of to be. So please, whatever he said, the school only can give you. It might be you have, last year you were off from the school, you may be knowing what school is giving you. Some of them may not have yet realized, but it's high time to realize what school is, what teachers are. Sometimes new teachers come in some of the classes and we start saying, ye achhi nahi hai, ye wo nahi hai. They too need time to settle with you, as you are not equally settled when they are there. So they too need time. Please give them time. Your support is always required by the teachers, and they are always there to help you. So that's all from my side. Amit, thanks a lot.
Is there one to do? Thank you, sister.
Yes, sure.
So before we close, if you have still questions, you can ask me. But before we close, I must show my gratitude and my respect towards the entire management of St. Mary's, especially the principal, vice principal, all the teachers, and very special thanks to Divya. We've been in touch for past almost 1 year, and because of COVID, you guys were having a great time at home, and now we are back to school, so that is the reason we also couldn't come and meet up. But my endeavor was always to be in school and talk to each one of you. And today, I got this opportunity because of Divya ma'am, and we want to do much more as an ex-student of this school. I want at least to produce 1,000 Amit Viks from this school who can stand here and motivate next 10, 20, 30 batches. One day you will be standing here and you'll be telling how was your journey from being a Marian. And trust me, each of you have that potential inside you. And the idea is to realize that potential. Be street smart, if not intelligent. Be very disciplined for yourself, because ultimately it is discipline, it is punctuality which is going to help you to do well in life. And we are always there for you. I am always there for you. You can always contact me through Divya ma'am, through teachers, and whatever it takes to support students of 10th standard and +2, because these are very sensitive classes. I am going to render my services to you. And I in fact suggested principal sister also that we should have a booklet of all the St. Marians with their job titles, with their phone numbers, so that whenever a student from 12th standard moves out, he should see the booklet and see, oh, I want to do this commerce, and this ex-student has done well in commerce. Let me call him and ask if he can help me. It is very important. So we will build up that network for you, which helps you in your career, which helps you for you to grow as a champion, as a rock star. And I will invite you, many of you, to my office in Gurgaon. We'll keep you there for a month, and you will get more clarity on what you wish to do in life. Right, guys? And thank you, everyone. Can we have one photograph with everyone, please?
Yeah, just a vote of thanks.
Yeah, please. Rita was my junior, I think.
Good afternoon, everyone. On this wonderful afternoon,
इधर आ कहीं बैठ जाओ मैंने तेरी सीट लेनी
Good afternoon, everyone. On this wonderful afternoon, I would like to propose a vote of thanks to Mr. Amit for sparing out his time from his busy schedule and joining us with us today. And we also like to express our gratitude for your wonderful words and not sharing your professional but also your personal experiences. We will try to cultivate the habit of never giving up. Once again, my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir, and thank you.
God bless you, beta. Do well.
I would like to call upon Sister Vice Principal Sister Elizabeth to please give a token of appreciation.
Oh my God, that's so heavy. So it took me 29 years to get this trophy. See how life hard is. Honored. Sometimes awards are so special that the goals are so worthy that it takes 29 years to lift this up. So this one is for all of you, the Marians.